God, I'm so cute. I love myself. It was kind of nice being behind the bar again and being like able to like be myself and like socialize with people. It was kind of nice. I did kind of miss it. So really good first day. Everyone is like super kind, and yeah, I just really look forward to my time there. Anyway, tomorrow's my birthday. Can't wait. 34. Woo! I'll let you guys know if I get up to anything. It's kind of weird how normal it feels being alone on my birthday. Like, yeah, I kind of wish I had friends to hang out with, but the past few years it's been like this. I've just been like completely by myself on my birthday. And like, I don't know, like it's kind of fine. There is this mild feeling of anxiety though, like I'm supposed to be doing something and I don't know what that is, but I'm trying to let that go. Do I look crazy right now? Be honest. I put on this hat because it's a cool ass hat, but I think with my hair down like this, I look like I'm putting off a vibe that I'm not trying to put off, you know? Why does filming in public feel like not weird at all? I'd probably feel weird if there was more people up here on this deck, but there's no one else up here. I also just wanted to say that I really appreciate anyone who is watching my vlogs. I don't think there's many people at this point, but if you're here, hey girl, I love you so much. There's people coming up here, I'm scared. How are y'all doing? Good. Finally got the farmer's market sourdough. It's so good. As you can see, I've destroyed it. I also got sourdough cinnamon rolls. Oh, they're so good. She said she only makes these once a month because they're such a pain in the ass to make, but worth it, girl. They're so good.